I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a question from the book Nelson, Advanced Functions. Question 10, page 376. Now, Ellen, as requested by you, here is an explanation to find the equation from the graph of a cosine function. In general, a transformed cosine function can be written as f of x equals to a times cos of k x minus p plus q, where a is the amplitude, k is number of waves into pi, p is the phase shift, and q is the axis. Now, to find a and q, we need maximum and minimum value of the function, which in this case we can directly read from the graph. So we can read that the maximum value is equal to 2, minimum value here is equal to minus 4. Now, average of these two is axis. So we can find q, which is axis, as maximum plus minimum divided by 2, which will be 2 plus minus 4 divided by 2. So which is minus 2 divided by 2, which is minus 1. Now, amplitude is maximum minus minimum divided by 2. So which is maximum is plus 2, minus of minus 4 divided by 2. So that makes it 6 divided by 2, 3. So 3 is the amplitude for our function. Now let's try to find the time period. From the time period we can find the value of k. Now, time period is distance between two maximums or two minimums. In this case, we can clearly read the maximum or minimum values. So this is the maximums, right? So let us see the distance between these two. Now, if you see, each division here is pi by 4. So two divisions are pi by 2. So each is pi by 4. So we will see how many pi by 4s we have moving from one maximum to the other. So if I count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pi by 4, right? So our time period is 8 times pi by 4, which is equals to 2 pi. Now since time period is 2 pi, k is equals to 2 pi by t. So in this case, it is 2 pi by 2 pi, or just the number 1. So k is 1 for us. Now we need to find the phase shift. We have found all other parameters. Cosine function, whenever you're talking about, we have to see it starts from a maximum, right? Now in this case, we could write with reference to this maximum, which actually begins 1, 2, 3 pi by 4 before. So it has been translated 3 pi by 4 units to the left. So we can write here that the phase shift p is equals to minus 3 pi by 4. I hope you get this part. So that is 1 pi by 4, 2 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, correct? Since it is towards the left, it is minus 3 pi by 4. Now we know all the parameters, so we can now write down the equation of this cosine graph. So the function f of x for us is equals to amplitude of 3 cos, since k is 1, we don't have to write it, x minus 3 pi by 4, that makes it plus 3 pi by 4, and the axis q is minus 1, so we have minus 1. So that becomes the equation for the given graph. So I hope with this you understand all the steps which are required to find equation from the graph. As requested by you, we will also take up equation from the data. Thank you and all the best.